How to share Facebook post on Instagram. Now, let's say you find this specific Facebook post, whether it's yours or not, to be something worthy of sharing to Instagram. Now, all you have to do to share that specific Facebook post to Instagram is to tap on this share button right here. Let's say this one. And now all you have to do to share that specific Facebook post to Instagram is to scroll right here, and you will be able to see this section that says Instagram. You just have to click on that, and you will automatically be redirected to the direct messages of the followers and following of yours on Instagram. Now you can send this specific Facebook post to that follower of yours on Instagram. Let's say this one right here. You can also share this to a group chat like this one. Now, once you're done sharing that specific post from Facebook to Instagram, all you have to do is to hit on done, and you will be able to see that you have sent that specific Facebook post to Instagram. So that's how to share Facebook posts on Instagram. Hope we helped.